friends, we're so excited to show you our new line of spicy relishes. What are our different varieties, Braylon?
So we've got Cowboy Candy, we've got Cowpoke Smoke, and Cowgirl Kisses. And they're all different varieties of the candied relishes, like Candy said, and they are delicious.
And Braylon is our food scientist expert, and she's prepared a meal that you can make with each one. These are just examples. You can kind of put them on everything. Some crazy ideas we've heard are like eggs. What else, Braylon?
Oh, it's way good on pizza, hamburgers.
Yeah, dipping it with pizza and hamburgers. So you can seriously get crazy with this. But
Yeah,
let's talk about what Braylon prepared today.
So down here we've got the Cowpoke Smoke, and this is the spiciest of the relishes. It's got double the jalapenos and smoke flavor, and it's delicious. So we've used it on pork tacos today with flour tortillas, pork, tomatoes, lime, cotija cheese, and then top the Cowpoke Smoke on top.
Yum!
It's good. And then we've got our Cowboy Candy, and this is our traditional one, and it's just, so it's candied jalapenos, and this one's really yummy with hot dogs and hamburgers. We've got it today with a chili dog. So we've got toasted bun, a Bratwurst, chili, cheese, and then pickles. These are yeehaw pickles.
Yeah, plug in for yeehaw pickles. They're the best.
And then this one's my favorite. It's Cowgirl Kisses, so it's pineapple jalapeno relish, and it is delicious with meats. So we've got a teriyaki marinated chicken stuffed with the Cowgirl Kisses inside.
That looks amazing. Stuffed. I mean, when you start stuffing chicken breasts, like wow, right?
It takes it to a whole new level.
It's a whole new level. All right, well thanks, Braylon. Should we go try them?
Oh yes, so pumped.
All right, let's do it.
I'm excited. Okay, so we're gonna try the chili dog first with the traditional Cowboy Candy.
Sweet, let's do it. Okay, and this is like bratwurst, you said?
So it's bratwurst.
Okay, here we go. Imagine you're eating with us. Oh my gosh, that's so good. Yum. There is spiciness. There's like the sweetness of the bratwurst.
And the Cowboy Candy really just complements all the flavors.
Dang, that's good. I'm gonna have one more bite.
It's yummy.
Got some of those yeehaw pickles. Oh my gosh, so good. Wow. Okay.
That is good. Okay.
What's next?
So now we're gonna try the Cowgirl Kisses.
Do you wish you were here right now? We're about to have stuffed chicken breast. Okay.
Get jealous because it's gonna be good.
All right, I'm gonna just grab some.
Just go for it. Take a bite here.
I don't know if you guys can see the texture, but this is just beautiful.
It's moist.
Braylon is a pro here, so.
I wouldn't say that, but it is good.
That works so
The chicken is tender. The pineapple and jalapenos really pop.
And you just have the Cowgirl Kisses? You don't have anything else in there?
Nope, nothing else in the film, just Cowgirl Kisses.
It's really good. It's really good.
It's yummy.
Okay, I'm gonna try one more bite. Just, you know.
Same though, it's
Just
good.
to be precise about my evaluations. Oh my gosh, so good. It really is genuinely good. You guys have to try this stuff. It's so good. Okay. Moving on reluctantly.
I'm excited about, right? I'm excited about these ones. These are pork tacos. And so we've got the Cowpoke Smoke, so the spiciest. Hopefully you can handle spice.
Can you handle spice? I don't know. This is really scary.
I can, more or less.
Okay, let's
Depends on
do
the
it.
day, right?
Should I use my fork so I don't like
Whatever you
hit
want
you in
now.
the face? Okay, so these are flour tortillas, right? But they're really crisp. How did you get them so crisp?
So I put them on a frying pan first, and I just heated them up, crisped them up.
You can smell it. Oh, you can smell that smoke, baby.
It smells good.
Dang.
Smells good. You ready to try it?
Oh, is that cotija cheese?
Yeah, that's cotija, and then it's got cilantro and tomatoes.
Smell it. Okay,
so
yeah,
good.
yeah.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. That's good.
that
Wow.
I took too big of a bite, I think. But I'm not regretting it. Yum. Wow, that is spicy. Woo! You become friends with these peppers when you eat this one. So this is the Cowpoke Smoke. Yeah, the spiciest.
Yep.
Woo! It reaches everywhere in your mouth. If you love spice, you're not going to be disappointed with this one.
Yeah, this one's amazing.
Wow, and that works so good with like the pork.
It complements the pork. It brings out the flavor in the tomatoes and cilantro. Complement everything.
You should have brought like milk or something.
Are you dying?
It's a little spicy, but it's really good. Alright, you guys, thanks for joining us. We had so much fun. If you go to our Facebook page or our Instagram page at Cornaby's Foods and you like our page and tag somebody who might love Cowboy Candy, we're going to enter you to win a variety pack. So let's bust out our variety pack so we can show you. I should have had it already out, but I don't. So enter to win on our Facebook or Instagram page all 3 varieties in a gift pack. And we'll be seeing you next time. Thanks for joining us. Bye.